Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on AIZOPlan. In this video, we'll walk you through how to build a powerful, actionable transformation roadmap using the Digital Maturity Assistant in AIZOPlan. AIZOPlan offers an AI-powered digital maturity assistant, a structured, 5-phase process designed to help organizations evaluate their digital maturity and transform those insights into a clear, actionable roadmap. Thanks to seamless integration, you can move from strategic insight to structured execution, automatically generating portfolios, programs, and projects with just a few clicks. Let's walk through how the DMA Assistant guides this process. We begin by accessing the DMA Assistant through Portfolio Level, Develop menu, Portfolio Studio, and launching the DMA Assistant. You'll first be asked to select a digital maturity model that fits your organization. You can either select from previously generated models, or you can let AIZO, your virtual assistant, create a tailored model for you. Simply choose your industry and a preferred framework, such as iTransform 365, McKinsey, Microsoft, or Columbia Business School. In this video, we select the banking industry and the iTransform 365 model. It's time to dive into the DMA process. The first step focuses on customizing the model to reflect your organization's specific context. The digital maturity model is built around pillars, capabilities, and enablers. Even within the same industry, no two organizations are alike. Customization ensures the assessment is relevant and accurate. You can remove questions, edit existing questions, assign priorities, or add new question. With your tailored model in place, you can now assess your current and desired maturity levels across each capability using a 0 to 3 scale. You don't need to complete every pillar at once. Each pillar can be assessed independently, and you can return to the assessment at any time. Once the evaluation is complete, AIZOPlan helps you bridge the gap from actual to target maturity by generating actionable recommendations. You can choose from predefined recommendations in the library, add your own custom suggestions, or let AIZO generate intelligent, goal-aligned recommendations based on your strategic inputs. Once generated, simply review, select, and validate the recommendations you want to keep for your roadmap. Then, access the summary dashboard for a clear, visual overview of your results, including global maturity level by pillar and by capability, and number of recommendations linked to each area. To build your roadmap, move to the value matrix and score each recommendation across 5 dimensions. Priority: how urgent or critical is this recommendation for achieving your strategic objectives? Impact: the expected value or benefit. Complexity: how difficult will it be to execute, considering technical, organizational, and operational factors? Budget: the estimated cost to implement. Horizon: the time frame for delivering the outcome. Finally, define how each recommendation will be implemented, at the portfolio, program, or project level. At the final step, once your recommendations are validated, AIZOPlan automatically converts them into structured portfolio, program, and demand backlogs. In summary, AIZOPlan's DMA Stepper gives you more than just insights. It delivers a scalable, strategic roadmap for your digital and AI transformation. Use it to prioritize investments, align initiatives with business goals, and drive change with clarity and confidence. Ready to accelerate your transformation? Let's get started.